Today we will start a new topic that named exponent. Basically, exponent is a topic mainly dependent upon the one in operation of the mathematics that is called multiplication. You know the multiplication. Let us see. If we consider two digit, then we know how to multiply those. Now listen. If I take 2 and I take 3 and I have to multiply 2 and 3, then what is the answer? Normally the 6 is the answer. Okay, here what I am doing, I am multiplying two digits. Now I will increase the number of digits to be multiplied, just like 2 multiply 3 and 4. Now 2 multiply 3, that is 6, 6 multiply 4, that is 24. Now the answer is bigger than 6. Again, if I do like this, 2 multiply 3 multiply 4 multiply 6. Okay, now what will be my answer? 2 multiply 3 6, 6 multiply 4 24, and 24 multiply 6. 24 multiply 6, on the rough work I will do 20, then the answer is 144. You have seen that when we multiply only two digit, the answer is 6. When we multiply three digits, the answer is 24. And on the same way, when we increase the digits to be multiplied, the answer is getting more than the earlier one. Here it is the pattern where you are going to multiply different digits. But what happen if you have to multiply the same digits two times, three times, four times, or more than four times? Okay, let us see what happen. When I multiply 2 with 2, then the answer is 4. If I multiply one time more, that is 2 multiply 2, that is 8. 2 multiply 2, 4 multiply 2, 8. And if I increase one more 2, then I will get 16. 2 multiply 2, 4 multiply 2, 8 multiply 2, 16. And on the same way, I will follow the same pattern. Then 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, 8 multiply 2, 16. 16 multiply 2, that is 32. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, 2, 2 and 2. 1 2 3 1 2 3 6. Here were 5 and here are 6 times multiple 2 is multiplied, so the answer is 64. Now you have seen that in this pattern we are going to multiply the same digit again and again. So in this video we have seen that 2 is multiplied twice, 2 is multiplied here thrice, and here 4 times, and 2 is multiplied here 5 times, and in the last one 2 is multiplied 6 times. So I will adopt a pattern to write these expanded multiplication in a short way. So see carefully. 2 is twice, that is 2 is 2 times, therefore I will write 2 on the top of this 2. So here 2 is multiplied thrice, therefore I will write 3 on the top. Here 4 times, therefore I will write 4 on the top. And here is 5 times, I will write 5. And here 6, so I will write the 6. Now this form is called the special form named exponential form in mathematics, to write the expanded multiplication of the same digit several times. I will pick any one of these. Here I will write it 2 power 5. Now this is the form we have to deal with in our topic. Now here two digits are there. The digit in the orange color is called base and the digit in the green color is called its power. Okay, so I will write this is called base and green is called power, and it is called 2 to the power 5. Similarly, this will be called 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power 3. This will be called 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5, and 2 to the power 6. Okay. Now this form is called exponential form. Now I will discuss and the classify all this work in the table form so that you come to know the various terms and the concept regarding this exponential form. So student, as per the table, we will consider our fraction, the expression which we have considered. So first I will take this expression 2 to the power 5. I will write here 2 to the power 5. This is called expression. Okay. Now what is the meaning of this? We will see its explanation. 2 to the power 5. It's what's the meaning of this? Its meaning is 2 is multiplied 5 times itself. Okay. You see 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 and multiply. So I will write here 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means 2 to the power 5. That means 2 is multiplied 5 times itself. Now, what is the value? Now, value, if you multiplied 2 to the 5 times, then what is the answer? That is 32. Therefore, my value is 32. Now, there are two terms left, exponent and base. Now we know as per this, the 2 is the base. Therefore, I will write 2. And what is exponent? Now the other term is only their power, so the other name of power is exponent, or it is also called indices. Okay, so I will write what is the power or exponent, that is 5. Students, it doesn't mean that we should take a whole number or an integer or a digit in place of base. We can take any rational number in place of base, just like this. If I take 2 over 3, this is a rational number, and I take its power 3. Then what is its meaning? Its meaning is that I am multiplying 2 by 3, 2 by 3, and 2 by 3 thrice. Okay, so as you know, what is the method to adopt for the multiplication of rational number? Well, we will multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Now 2 multiply 2, that is 4. 4 multiply 2, that is 8. I will write 8, and 3 multiply 3, 9 multiply 3, 27. Now in this way you can also write the exponential form of a rational number. So in place of thinking rational integer or a whole number or the natural number, we must take we must take the rational number, that may be positive rational number or the negative rational number. Okay, but one thing must note, that your rational number should be in the base, it should not be in the power. So now we know that if we multiply a negative rational number even times, then the answer is positive one, and if we multiply a rational number odd time, the answer is in negative term. So we will check this result for the exponent form. Okay, so here minus 4 by 5 is a negative rational number and its power is 4. 4 is even. Okay, and minus 4 by 5 is the same rational number and it's having power 3, that is odd. So we will check. So the meaning of this is this, that we have write in the multiplication form 4 times, and we know minus 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 are multiplying 4 times, the answer is in plus, and it is multiplied 3 times, minus into minus plus and multiply with minus, that is answer is minus. So its answer will be 4 multiply 4 16, 16 multiply 4 64, 64 multiply 4 256. The answer is 256, and 5 multiply 5 25, and multiply 5 125 and 625. So this is the plus 6 256 over 625, and this is negative 4 for the 16, 16 for the 64, and 125. How does 5 meaning 5 25 25 125. So in this way we can solve or find the value of the exponential form of any rational number, that is positive or negative. So student, in this video we have come to know that what is the exponential form and how does it work, and the various terms related to exponential form. Okay, just like expression, meaning, exponent, base, and value. And here we also have learned that what is the importance of the even and odd powers for the rational number in the exponential form. Okay, now this is the very first video for the exponential topic for the 7th class. Thank you.